very difficult to predict anything. At this time last year, I think we were predicting that we would remain inside the common market and Hillary would be president of the United States. So we're out of the prediction business. But I think, regrettably, clients are still very focused on the short term. The world is growing not that rapidly. It's growing pretty slowly, about 3-4%. There's very little inflation. There's a focus, as a result, very little pricing power. And there's a focus on cost, which I think focuses our clients on the short term. I think that's unlikely to change. If you look at the three major disruptive forces that are currently our clients are focusing on, the first would be the technological disruption from digital, which this week focuses on, as I said before. The second is what we see in terms of activist investors who are putting pressure on in terms of the short term, and then the zero-based budgeters who are also putting slightly different emphasis, but also putting pressure on our clients for the short term too. So I think we'll continue to see that as we go into 2018. I see little reason for an upside breakout. In other words, economic growth that goes beyond the 3 to 4% range on a worldwide basis. And similarly, little chance of downside breakout, so recession. But staying in that narrow growth band, with the fast growth markets traditionally, the BRICS and Next 11, Brazil, Russia, India and China, continuing to be maybe under little bit less pressure, but continuing to be under pressure. The Next 11 countries like Indonesia or the Philippines or Vietnam or Colombia or Peru or Argentina probably looking a little bit better too. But again, the general situation remaining the same. And I think from a functional point of view, digital media generally being the strong growth parts of the business. Public relations, public affairs are starting to pick up as well, and we've seen that as well. The project business is continuing to be reflecting that pressure in terms of low growth and cost pressure that I mentioned before. But I think very much of a muchness of what we've seen since Lehman, which was 2008, 2009, and subsequently through the early part of the second decade of this millennium.